Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how I managed to jailbreak iOS 18, quickly, easily, and with absolutely no computer required. As you can see, the Cydia app is already installed on my device, which confirms that the jailbreak was a complete success. Jailbreaking removes Apple's built-in restrictions, giving you full control over your iPhone or iPad. That means you can install custom tweaks, third-party apps, and unlock tons of extra features. I'll guide you through the entire process step by step so you can do this yourself without any problems. Just follow along carefully, and by the time you finish this video, your device will be fully jailbroken. Before jumping into the installation, there are a couple of quick settings we need to take care of. First, open your device's settings and tap on General. Then, go to Background App Refresh and make sure it's turned on, either set to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures that the app can refresh and run properly in the background. After that, return to the main settings menu and tap on Battery. Make sure low power mode is turned off. This step is very important as low power mode can interfere with how the installation works. Once these two settings are adjusted, you're ready to begin the actual installation process. To get started, open up your browser and head over to apriliab.com. This is a reliable platform that hosts all sorts of modded and advanced apps. Use the search bar to look for Jailbreak and tap on it once it appears in the results. You'll be taken to a dedicated page with detailed information, including download counts and user feedback. Tap the Download Now button to begin. The download process only takes a short while, and you'll soon see a prompt confirming that the installation has started. If this is your first time visiting the site, there will be one additional step to complete. Don't worry, it's fast, easy, and 100% free. You'll be redirected to a quick verification screen where you'll be asked to download and open a few free apps from the App Store or Play Store. A clear on-screen tutorial will walk you through everything, so it's super simple. Once you've completed the verification step, the jailbreak installation will begin automatically. In my case, the verification went through smoothly and the jailbreak app downloaded right away, as you can see on the screen. When you open the app, it will guide you through the installation process. Once that finishes, go ahead and restart your phone, and just like that, Cydia will appear on your home screen. And that's all there is to it. Thanks a ton for watching all the way through. If this video helped you out and everything's working as expected, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tutorials like this one. If you run into any issues or have questions, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next video.